Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by plugging in the charger and powering on the laptop. Sign in with your Microsoft account to enable sync and store settings. Once done, connect to a secure Wi-Fi network and open Windows Update. Install critical updates and drivers. This prevents hardware issues. Make sure battery settings are on balanced for initial setup and create a simple PIN for faster logins. These first actions get your system secured and ready for customization. Next, focus on security and core system configuration. Enable BitLocker or device encryption to protect your disk. Choose a recovery method and note the key. Then, review privacy settings, turn off camera or microphone access for apps you won't use. Install essential apps from the Microsoft Store and check Device Manager for driver updates. Once finished, set OneDrive syncing folders and confirm backup locations. These steps keep your files safe and the system running smoothly. To finish, create a system restore point and a full backup image to external storage. This ensures you can recover quickly. Next, make a USB recovery drive of at least 8 GB and verify it boots. Keep it in a safe place. Optimize power plans and schedule automatic maintenance and updates for off hours. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: boot from the recovery USB, run automatic repair, and use the restore point. This usually resolves startup and update failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.